The following program was produced by the United States Courts.
Thank you for the opportunity to participate in this very special celebration. I regret that I cannot be with you in person, but it is my pleasure and delight to welcome each of you as a citizen of the United States of America. Today, our nation celebrates Constitution Day, also called Citizenship Day. Our country has set aside this day to recognize the signing of the United States Constitution. I am sure that now you will add today to your list of special days to celebrate. At least once a year, you should take a day to remember how hard you have worked to earn your citizenship and to provide your family with the hopes and dreams that this nation offers you. Today's ceremony marks the conclusion of a significant journey in each one of your lives. For many of you, this journey was filled with tremendous barriers and adversity. Some of you persevered through difficult and dangerous circumstances, fleeing injustice, intolerance, and oppression. Yet all of you were determined to secure the right to call this country, the United States, home. For me, an Associate Justice of the United States Supreme Court, it is truly a privilege and an honor to congratulate you on your achieving citizenship and to recognize you as fellow citizens. Although my own parents were born in Puerto Rico, a United States territory, they too were migrants. Through their experiences, I can appreciate that for many of you, if not all of you, the price of citizenship has been very high. Leaving your birthplaces behind, perhaps leaving family and friends behind, all while adapting to a new life and a new culture, is never easy. I admire your courage and commend your spirit. Seeing all of you here today, as we celebrate your very first Citizenship Day, reminds me in a very personal and moving way that America does mean freedom and liberty. Not just freedom and liberty from oppression, but freedom and liberty to pursue one's dreams, to be all that one can be, to accomplish all that one can accomplish. I wish I could describe the United States of America as perfect. As citizens, you and I are well aware that it is not, and there is still work to be done. Yet the need to dream, the need to hope, that is what is important. That is the gift of America. Your presence at today's ceremony is a testament to your own faith in those timeless principles and an indication of the role you will play in helping to preserve and to expand the promise of America for generations to come. But with freedom and liberty and opportunity comes responsibility. You are now citizens. Remember to make your voices heard. It is your right and your obligation to vote, because voting is your fundamental way of expressing your views. Remember, however, that voting is not the only way to contribute. Write your elected officials and express your views. Volunteer your time and talents. Become an active part of our community. When called for jury service, come and serve. This is one of the most central and important obligations of citizenship. I also ask you not to forget your backgrounds and the cultures that you came from. We can all constantly learn from each other and from our differences. The history of our nation proves that our collective success depends on the contributions of Americans by choice, every bit as much as the contributions of Americans by birth. We know that all people, no matter what their birthplace, their ethnic or religious background, how rich or how poor, continue to share in creating this country. The diverse people of this country are its greatest strength. We can all appreciate that we are infinitely richer by our diversity, and that by honoring our diversity, the promise of America will continue to shine on us, on our children, and throughout the world. And now, my fellow citizens, a very special congratulations to you on this most momentous occasion. My very best wishes for many years of happiness, success, and good health as citizens of the United States of America.